Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I'm back in the kitchen with another one, which I want to share with you today. It's going to be a simple one, all right? So right over here, I have a blender, all right? And I'm going to show you how you can also make yourself a beautiful smoothie recipe at home in your kitchen, all right, guys? Now, I have some, to be honest, I have some strawberry, which I have left over, and I'm going to use up my strawberries. Yeah, I'm already washed them off, so all I'm going to do is simple, cut them into half and put them straight inside of my blender. Beautiful strawberries, as you can see, they are fantastic, full of sweetness and flavor. All right, so this is what you can also make in the morning. All right, just gonna show you exactly what you can also do, guys. All right, beautiful one to make. So I'm using some strawberry to make a beautiful smoothie recipe for you guys. All right, look at that, fantastic and amazing. All right, that right there. Fantastic. Now, to be honest, you don't need this whole heap of liquid and thing into the smoothie. All right, it's gonna be just a simple. If you're at home, you can do this, guys. Honestly, just grab yourself some strawberry out the fridge or the fresh one you have. You can also use that one. All right, but as you can see, it's just a simple one, and I'm going to show you what you can also do at home. All right. So the thing is, this is all you need to do. Get your strawberry, cut them up, and to be honest, they're sweet, so you don't need to put nothing in it. It's gonna simple. Blend it up for 2 to 3 seconds, all right? Nice one. All right, so once you do that and it blend down like that, what I'm going to do is get myself a finger of ripe banana, and I'm going to pop it straight inside of it like this. All right, that is fantastic and amazing. Now I'm going to blend it up again. Lovely. That's part one. All right, that is just fantastic. So it's just ripe banana. Wow, that smells amazing. Pour that inside of you. All right, beautiful. That's what you want to drink in the morning, early morning run. All right, yeah, man. So if you're at home, this is what you can also do at home. All right, guys, just a little bit of tips and ideas of things where you can also do at home in your kitchen. All right, pop a little bit of fresh mint. If you like fresh mint. If you don't like fresh mint, you don't have to put that one in it. You can put a little bit of chai seed inside of it. All right, beautiful. Look at that. That is fantastic and an amazing one. All right, guys. So if you like this one, it's just a simple one for you, where you can also make in the morning for, if you're on a rush or whatever you're doing in the morning, you can also simple just make that one. All right. As you can see, it's very fantastic, simple, but also delicious. All right. If you like it, please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. As you can see, it's fantastic and an amazing smoothie recipe in the morning for breakfast. breakfast or for whatever you want to make it, guys. It's up to you. Ripe banana and strawberry smoothie recipe. Very easy, simple, but also delicious. All right. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo on the team, and I will definitely give you more recipes like this. One love, and see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. All right, guys. As you can see, fantastic one from Chef Ricardo today.